Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find X or Twitter username using email address. So if you want to find your Twitter or X username using your email address, here's how you can get it done. You have to go to your phone and tap on your email address. It can be Google Mail, but I'm going to use the email app for the iPhone. I'm going to open it. I'm going to use the search bar here and search for X. Just type X, then you tap on the X option. Then right here it's going to tap on the one that has the username or verification of username in there. So I'm just going to tap on this. There you can see right here, okay, this is actually the verification one. So let me just tap on this. Good. This actually have my username. You can see my username here. We've noticed a log of at Martins Honors 8843 which is my X username currently. This is the username to my account, so that I can find my username using my email address, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, smash the like button and follow for more. Thank you.